Today our subject is how to frame present continuous tenses. Yes, I repeat, how to make present continuous tenses. Are you ready? Is, am, are. These are helping verbs that you need to frame present continuous tenses. Now, along with the helping verb, you must need one principal verb or the main verb of the sentence. Now, with the main verb, we need to put one ing to frame present continuous tenses. For example, sleep is a verb. Now, to make present continuous tense, we have to use sleep plus ing, means sleeping, playing, swimming. Now, when to use these helping verbs? Am, is, and are. Is, am, are. Yes. If the subject is singular, then we have to use is, am. Is or am. If the subject is singular, then we have to use is or am. But if the subject is plural, then we have to use are. Next, our subject is we. What kind of subject we is? Singular or plural? Yes? Yeah, correct. We is a plural subject. Here you win one carol. Just kidding. Okay, now what kind of verb, helping verb, we are going to use with the subject we? Is, am, or are? Yes, again you are correct. We are going to use are because our subject is plural. Now, if our principal verb is eat, then what we are going to use? Yes, you are correct. ing means eating. Now, what is the sentence? Yes, we are eating. This is the instance of present continuous sentence. Now, let's use present continuous tense to make some sentences. For example, I. Here our subject is singular, so we have to use singular helping verb. I am. And if we want to put play as our principal verb, then we have to use ing with the verb. And hence we make the sentence I am playing. Next sentence, if our subject is plural, for example, they. Here the subject is plural, then we are going to use are. Yes, you are right. So, they are. If our principal verb is work, what we are going to do? Yes, you are right. We are going to use ing with the main verb. And if our principal verb is work, then we are going to frame the sentence like this. They, plural subject, are, plural helping verb, then work main verb using ing, working. They are working.